Hi wonderful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Taz Shiko. You're so very much welcome. Kindly hit that subscribe button if you've not, and if you have, thank you so much. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. On today's video, I'm going to use a foundation that I was gifted by my beautiful subscriber to create this look. And without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So I'm starting off with this Elegant Pro Concealer to prep my eyelid for my eyeshadow. I'm using a fluffy brush to blend in the concealer. It's easier to use a fluffy brush compared to an angled brush to blend the concealer. I'm doing the same on the other eye. I'm going to use this orange color from Morphe 35M eyeshadow palette. And for fast transitioning shade, kindly use matte and not shimmer. Don't use shimmer for fast transitioning shade. So I'm using circular motions to apply in the eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to use this purple color from the same eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to apply it slightly below where I applied my first transitioning shade. Now I'm drawing my cut crease, and I'm using Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Next, I'm going to draw my eyeliner, and I'm using W7 liquid eyeliner. For primer, I'm going to use a Rimel Stay Matte Primer. Foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 362, and let me be honest, I wasn't expecting this foundation to be this good. I'm used to the glass one. I've never used this tube one, but let me tell you, this foundation is just amazing, and it's also more affordable compared to the glass one. Let me give you a tip. While applying foundation around your forehead, don't start from your hairline going to your eyebrow area. Start from your eyebrow area going to your forehead, and don't apply too much foundation around that area, otherwise you're going to look like you have a mask on. Now I'm going to contour, and I'm using Cara Beauty Contour Palette. To set the area where I have contoured, I'm using Fit Me in the shade 370. Then I'm using a fluffy brush to blend in. Next, I'm using this eyeshadow color from Juvia's Place palette. For setting spray, I'm using e.l.f. And to highlight, I'm also going to use this e.l.f. highlighter. For lipstick, I'm using a Maybelline Super Stay. And the next shade is Romantic, also from Maybelline. I'm going to blend that using a brush. How it looks on a closer look, and I'm actually done. That will be it from me today. Thank you so much for watching till this far. You're the true OG. Thank you so much, and kindly hit the subscribe button if you've not, and if you have, thank you so much. You can also watch more of my makeup tutorials and story times. I have a lot of videos you can watch, so just check them out. And yeah, that will be it, and until next time, bye.